Hey everyone, I'm Roberto.
And I'm Kat.
And welcome to week 3 of Salsa with Sylvia's Intro to Bachata syllabus. We're going to show some new moves and adding on from what we learned on from week 1 and week 2.
Yeah, so think of it as building blocks. So we're going to use some of the blocks to just advance the move even further. So we're going to start right in partner work, yeah? We're ready here. So we're going to start from not this original hold, but the hold we did last week. And we're just going to review the box step. We've already done that. Let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So now we can use the box step to get to close position. So it's a new way to get to close position. You're going to go ahead and stop on 4. When you stop, you're going to disconnect your right arm leads. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, as you can see him do, he's going to circle this down as we finish the box, and then we're here in close. So you can, it's almost like slicing a cake. You're just coming around like that, and once you master that motion, that's really just the method of getting to close. So we're here, we go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. We're here, we go 1, 2, 3, switch spots, 6, 7, 8. So as you can see, he slightly shifted it.
And so what I'm doing is basically sliding my hands apart to end up into this type of grip there. So let's go ahead and show that one more time. Here we go, going into our swivel. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 180, 5, 6, open up. And now we're ending up into this opening position.
So it was really just on that 7, 8, and then now we're ready to do our basic. Let's review from the top. Okay, so we start with this hold, box step.
Front and back grip, here we go. And
6,
7, 8, and 1, 2, let go of the other hand, circle, moon, and close. And now we go right into the swivel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so now we're ready to go into something called Gaminando. So we're gonna start by doing a leads turn. So we're here, we're just gonna do our basic first, and he's gonna go ahead into it.
So I go 1, 2, 3, I let go of this hand, and going into my own turn, 5, 6, 7, and catch. But instead of doing this normal catch like we did in week 2, or week 1, I'm sorry, what we learned before, we're basically going to change our grip into a, hi, nice to meet you, right to right grip, all right? Let's show that one more time. So we go 1, 2, 3, I turn, 5, 6, right to right. And now we're ending up with this kind of grip. Why is this crucial? Because now we're going to do another move which is going to facilitate us to get into what we call Gaminando. Let's show how that works. So from here we go into 1, 2, 3, and prep, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now why we call it Gaminando is because all we're doing is just walking forward like a front and back. We go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. We can do that again. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, prep. Now, I'm prepping 7, 8 because I'm about to get out of this position into a turn. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Now, we're going to also add one more motion, but let's show that again, and then let's do it from the top. Here we go. So we go into our front to back, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, one more time. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, swivel, and 1, 2, 3, 180, open up, and 1, 2, leads turn, 5, 6, right to right, 1, 2, prep, 5, 6, Gaminando, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, turn, 1, 2, 3, and now what we're going to add is what we call a hair comb, which is 5, 6, 7, tap. Now, all jokes aside, leads, please be careful with your follows hair. You never want to mess up their hair. That is a big note on the social scene. So watch again as we do this motion. All I'm doing is getting my hands there and then letting gravity do the rest.
Now I comb the hair, not they comb the hair, yeah? So we're combing our own hair.
All All right, so let's show it all over again, the whole entire move from this side. Here we go. We go into front and back, 5, 6, 7, box step, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, hold, swivel, 1, 2, 3, 180, open up, and 1, 2, leads turn, 5, 6, right to right, 1, 2, prep, Gaminando, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, turn, and 1, 2, 3, hair comb, and you're done. All right, let's go ahead and what we just learned and put it with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 5, change that grip, 1, box step, hold, swivel, 180, open up, leads turn, right to right, prep, Gaminando, prep, unwrap, hair comb, and catch. Let's do it from this side. 5, 6, change that grip. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. And that's it for week 3 of Intro to Bachata. Thank you again for watching our video. Please go to salsawithsylvia.com to register for upcoming classes and to check out for upcoming events.
You all are doing amazing, so keep it going. Go out and social dance, right? Super important to practice. And subscribe here. We're gonna have week 4 starting now.